Hey everyone! Welcome back to English Quiz by Levels. Today, get ready for an exciting basic level phrasal verb quiz. There are 15 multiple choice quizzes of basic level. You'll have 10 seconds for each questions. Answer and explanation are provided for every questions. Before you start the test, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you never miss out on more fun vocabulary and grammar quizzes. Are you ready? Let's jump right in. Question 1. The answer is gave up. Give up means to quit doing something. Question 2. The answer is looking forward to. Look forward to means to be excited about something in the future. Question 3. The answer is put on. Put on means to wear something. Question 4. The answer is turn up. Turn up means to increase the volume. Question 5. The answer is break down. Break down means for a car or machine to stop working. Question 6. The answer is look up. Look up means to search for information. Question 7. The answer is make up. Make up means to invent or create something, like a story or joke. Question 8. The answer is run into. Run into means to meet someone unexpectedly. Question 9. The answer is get ready. Get ready means to prepare yourself for something, like getting dressed and packing your things before going to school. Question 10. The answer is call off. Call off means to cancel an event or meeting. Since she was sick, she canceled the meeting. Question 11. The answer is eat up. Eat up means to eat everything. Question 12. The answer is take after. Take after means to resemble or have similar characteristics to a family member. Question 13. The answer is turn up. Turn up means to arrive at a place, especially when expected. Question 14. The answer is carry out. Carry out means to do something that was planned or put an idea into action. Question 15. The answer is goes on. Go on about something means to talk about something too much or for too long, often in an annoying way. Great job, everyone! You've just completed the intermediate level phrasal verb quiz. How many did you get right? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this quiz and want more fun ways to improve your English, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new quiz. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. Keep learning and keep improving. Bye for now.